How to use ByBit coupon codes. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to get coupon codes in ByBit and how you will be able to utilize them. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in ByBit, and what you're going to do is you're going to select over here our rewards hub. Selecting on Rewards Hub will show us all kinds of coupons that we could receive right now, as you can see here. There are very simple coupons that we could get, such as verifying our identity, depositing less than $100, and another one over here where you could deposit another $100 and trade $10 over here. So these are free coupons that you will be able to get. After completing any of this, or even this one's below, you could claim them by clicking on My Rewards, and there will be an option over here that would show up as a use. So it will appear here, it will say 20 UTT, and then you will be able to have a use button, which will then allow you to use those coupons on ByBit. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.